So what's going on, guys? We're back today, part 2 of the truck build. This morning I was out having a coffee and a cigarette, and I decided to come in here and I messed with it for a minute, and I probably shouldn't have because I didn't have the camera going, but I did one little piece of it again. So we're gonna try to pick up from where I left off yesterday and a little bit of this morning that you didn't see yet, and maybe we'll get the outside pieces of it, finished today. I was able to get this one side on. I wasn't able to make it all one piece like I did the other side, so I'm going to just have to weld it. So what I need to do is I need to have it 90 and then 45. I'll go over my vise. Just get the tip in there, just the tip. And we'll just keep on bending it until we get it close. Now I should be able to cut this one off a little bit, weld this on, and it'll be just as good. So now we're going to have to put in this slight bend. I'm going to use my bender here. so what I've done is cut the back even to make sure that they fit. I'm going to weld them up real quick and test it. Alright, sorry for the noisy fan, it just gets hot in here. So what I'm going to do is let this cool down, we'll test fit everything again, and then we'll continue to do what we got to do. Probably just going to make it so that it bolts onto the back somehow. Just kind of like how the front is, but I'll just unthread it when I need to take the battery out, I guess. I want it to be secure. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish welding up these joints. Everything seems to be fitting pretty decently, so I'll weld everything up, grind everything, make it look pretty. I'll probably modify this because at extreme turn the tire could hit it, so I'll maybe make this a little bit rounder. So I'm going to take that off. I have these little pieces from a previous build. It looks like they'll work if I put one in here. It'll weld right to this, and then I'll be able to bolt this on and off. Also, I'm going to make a couple tabs to go around so that I can bolt the body to it. Maybe 2, 4, 6. I don't think I'll need any on the front. So let me weld this up and we'll get right back. So I got it all ground down, welded up. Everything seems to be working great. Everything looks pretty good. So take a look at it and see what you think. So after getting it all cleaned up, it's alright. I gotta clean this up a little bit better. This is another joint where I met them. I'll grind that up a little bit better. That was a mess. It's not looking too bad. Probably come in and clean that up. But now we have it all on. I bolted one of the tabs to the rear, and then we're going to weld this to it. So let me bolt the other one. Actually, they're both on. So let's get welding. Alright, so far I think it's looking pretty good. Everything's centered, everything seems to be pretty damn good. So what I think I'm going to do is call it a day today. And then hopefully tomorrow we can come back at it and get it finished. You know, any day now we could have the baby. So there could be a couple days where I don't post a video. So just be looking out for that. Later.